morning, everyone. We are ready to go. Husband put the fuel first and then clean the windshield, and then yeah, we're going soon. Every time if we put a fuel more than 60 gallons, we have a free shower. I have to turn this off. Every time if we put fuel, guys, we have to set this to a few minutes for fueling. Off. See? That's it. For some of you guys wondering if or asking me if I don't feel, bored. Well, to be honest, not really. What I do is that thinking of things that not to get me feel bored. I can watch YouTube, sometimes I watch Philippine news or whatever interesting in the, YouTube channel. It's not just only sitting down in the truck. Once in a while, I read articles or doing some editing, and my husband bought me a banana because I am a monkey. Joke. Makes laugh. Laugh. Once in a while, I can stand in the truck or taking my husband's dumbbell 10 pounds or 5 kilos. Honey, they asked you, do you feel good? Do you feel bored in the truck driving? No? He doesn't feel bored because this is his work. Trucking is a tough job. Yes, it is. But I'm really finding a way to not to feel, bored. And why should I feel bored? I can see different states, different beautiful places, it's beautiful scenery, different cities. So yeah, sit down and enjoy. As long as there is internet and there are food, I'm good for that. Entertain yourself, not to feel bored. Oh my God, I miss Popeye. Popeye for lunch, guys. Bon appetit po! Let's eat Popeye!
Hi guys, I'm coming too.
Honey, juice. After the food. After the fried chicken. Orange, guys, after the fried chicken. Drive right away after we had lunch, because time of truck driving is so crucial. No wasting of time. I'm making sandwich for my honey while the truck is running. Sorry for the shaky, guys. I make him a sandwich, slice of tomato and onion, 1 small sachet of mayonnaise, mustard, not too much of mustard, a few pieces of mortadella meat. I use lavash bread. They call it also in Iran, lavash bread. truck asked for a region. Thanks God that we are stopped.
And now we're going to push this.
You hear that sound?
Good night, guys, from me and my beautiful, gorgeous wife.
Oh, so sweet of you, honey.
I'm not sweet, you are sweet. Makes me sweet. You got too much of me.
These are just only our dinner. And this is only the lavash bread and the slice of bread. Whole wheat bread. I already put butter and it's already melt. And our partner, grapes. Good night, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.